The Foam Plus Bag Packer produces protection for your products in a matter of seconds. Do you need a high level of product protection? Are you looking for flexible packaging? Would an on-demand system make sense for your packaging needs? Are you shipping the same type of product or a variety of products? No matter what type of product, Foam Plus Bag Packer will help you reach your protective packaging goals. It's very simple to package a variety of products safely in foam. Whether you ship light, fragile, or heavy-duty products, Foam Plus Bag Packer will protect your product safety during transport. Foam Plus by Storopack means reliable foam cushioning to fit all products like a glove. The two-component foam packaging is produced on demand as you need it for any of your products. The cushions are extremely light, impact-resistant, and provide excellent cushioning and blocking and bracing properties to ensure your products arrive safely to your customers. Foam Plus is flexible with either offline or inline packaging processes. Foam Plus allows the customer to retain its current packaging process with little to no change. The polyurethane foam expands automatically. This ensures that the foam goes into the box where needed. The Foam Plus Bag Packer is reliable and user-friendly. The operator can automatically produce foam cushions with a touch of a button. The user-friendly touchscreen has 4 different modes: manual, automatic, cushion sequence, and barcode. All modes can be stored and called upon to perfectly meter foam cushions protecting your products. Barcodes with various size foam cushions and various fill quantities are stored in the Bag Packer software database. When the carton or product reaches the packing position, the packer scans the label on the product or carton, which informs the system to produce perfectly metered foam in-bag cushions. In addition to this, your product photos can be displayed on the touchscreen, showing your products positioned in the box with the proper foam packaging material. If desired, Storopack can synchronize the barcode reader with Foam Plus Bag Packer software for a simple touchscreen operation. Foam Plus Bag Packer provides consistent metered and high-quality protective packaging on demand to ensure your products are protected, no matter who is doing the packaging. Depending on the requirements, Foam Plus cushions can be utilized to completely fill any voids, or can be used economically on edges and in corners to protect your product. The range of possibilities is as diverse as your product requirements. Glass or steel, the different volumetric densities of foam ensure protection where your products need it most. Quickly and efficiently, foam fits into tight spaces and fills up any empty volume. Foam Plus Bag Packer can also produce foam tubes on demand in batch modes. Foam Plus tubes are used at a centralized location for producing and delivering foam cushions to multiple packing locations. The foam tubes can be used for cushioning, wrapping, padding, and/or blocking and bracing products. The length of the cushion tubes, as well as the size and filling quantity of the individual cushions, are freely selectable. The foam cushion tubes are especially well suited for pre-production to meet the packaging needs for various product applications. Always reliable, protective packaging with Foam Plus. Benefits offered by Foam Plus Bag Packer are a high level of product protection, process reliability, and flexibility. Make Foam Plus Bag Packer your most reliable source for protective packaging.